are from Group 1. I am Yii Seng Lung, 58344.
I am Richard Chin Kai Yu, 57710.
Jing Key 55689.
I am Ting Aik Seng, 58176.
I am Juin Hwee, 58070.
I am Lim Kwang Seng, 56442.
I am Kelvin Lau Kuan Fei, 56284.
I am Chiew Sow Ding 55684.
I am Fung Meng 56032.
I am Ngo Fang Jun 56943.
The engineering project management process is a series of steps that represent the evolution of a product from ICT concept to delivery, maturity, and finally retirement. The engineering project management process is made up of 5 essential steps. This engineering project management steps show what goes on behind the screen before a project may come to a project manager attention. The project initiation phase is the first phase within the project management life cycle, as it involves starting up a new project. The engineering problem is identified within an initial phase. A solution is defined, a project is formed, and a project team is appointed to build and deliver a solution to a customer.
The second step is project planning. Project planning is a part of project management which relates to use of schedule and subsequently report progress within the project environment. With project planning, by using ICT tools, it will help us to control our cost, time, quality, changes, risk, and related issues. It will also help us to control staff and external supplier to ensure that we can deliver our project within time and within budget.
For example, construction project manager shoulder the responsibility of keeping the project moving according to the plan. The goal is to manage the project so that it finishes on schedule and within budget while still meeting the core plan and specs. A construction project manager may also charged with setting the parameters, finance and calendar, vetting and hiring subcontractor and on-site worker, developing a strategy for potential conflict resolution and more.
Next, the project launch and execution phase will be carried out to manage the engineering project. In fact, the launch and execution phase is particularly the longest stage in project management process, as its progression is until the actual work is done. Therefore, the launch and execution stage is where the work begins actually in the project.
From the view of engineering, we need to ensure that we have the deliverables of engineering concepts in project and knows what it is due, how it should be done, who needs to work on it, and when it has to complete by, with some flexibilities according to the risk we have identified before. Once we have collected information and being approved, we will distribute the compulsory resource of engineering projects, including budget management, time management, resource planning, change management, risk management, quality management, internal delivery reviews, communication facilitations, meeting management, and any other information related to the engineering project.
Next, phase 4 is the project performance and control. Is to measure the project progressions, performance, and ensuring everything happens aligns with the project management plans. Project manager use key performance indicators to track the project performance. First, project objective. To measure the project is on schedule, and budget is an indicator as the project will meet the stakeholder objectives. Second is the quality deliverables. Determines if specific task deliverables are being met.
Therefore, the project manager will do the effort and cost tracking. The project manager will check if the project are staying on expected schedule and deadline, and also will predict the completion date based on the current performance. The last of the KIV, which is the key performance indicator, is project performance. The project manager will track how many problems will occur and how quickly they are addressed. Go through this process. If the project manager found out some problems, he may need to adjust the schedule and the resource again to make sure the project is on track.
The last stage of engineering project management project is the project closure. The first major task of this phase is the evaluation of the project. The ultimate goals of the project should be compared with the actual outcome in terms of quality, times, and cost at which it is achieved. Besides, a project closure report should be created using a ICT tool, and it should include the final budget, schedule information, project issues, and lessons learned. Another aspect of this phase is to reward your team for working hard with a small event or a bonus to encourage them to do better on the next project. As a conclusion, a proper project management by using ICT tool is very important in engineering, as it ensures a proper expectation are set around so that the project can deliver on time and on budget.
AutoCAD always has a place in engineering fields due to the benefits it brings to the user. At the earliest stage of a design project, the engineer can use AutoCAD to start sketching ideas and analyzing them to determine the best solution for a given problem. The software makes the process quick and easy. It eliminates the need to draw the new blueprints for each version of the ideas and simplifies the redesign. It has a powerful drafting which can detail the design better and faster. The drawing speed always is a factor in the design process.